Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your Sari world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I'm delighted to showcase a beautiful collection of hand woven Kanchivaram silk saris. Each of these saris is so beautiful that I can't wait for you to have a look at these saris. We begin with a very beautiful Kanchivaram silk sari. This one is in a very unusual shade of lavender purple. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari has all over zari checks or kattam. You can see them here. The borders have beautiful kuilkand motifs in zari, and there is a row of small pakshi motifs also in zari. This is the beautiful pallu of this gorgeous sari. It has seeper acre in zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with maybe a deep orange blouse and pair it with some lovely traditional gold jewelry to create a beautiful look. Another unusual shade, this one is in a very pretty pastel green. The body of this very unusual Kanjivaram silk sari has circular floral chakram kind of buttas. This sari doesn't have borders, but it has a narrow stripe of zari and a pinkish selvedge. The highlight of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is the beautiful contrast between the body and the pallu. While the body is in a subtle pastel green, the pallu is in a festive pink and it has gorgeous festive motifs in zari of yarli, paisleys and diamonds. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in pink. Match it with a beautiful ruby necklace or any other stone in pink and you're set for a great evening. One of our much loved Kanjivarams is back. Many of you wanted this the last time it was sold out. So we have this very auspicious colored yellow and maroon Kanjivaram silk sari with thread work. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely festive shade of yellow and there are diamond shaped thread work motifs in a maroonish color. This sari doesn't have borders, it has a maroonish selvage. The pallu of this beautiful sari has seeper acre in thread. This sari doesn't have zari, so it is very convenient and comfortable to wear. You can wear it to office and for small occasions as well. The sari comes with an araku pink kind of blouse, but you can pair it with maybe a maroon blouse and pair it with some coral jewelry and that will give an effect of manjari kumkum. A beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual combination of short orangish rust and purple is what we have next for you. The body of this gorgeous sari is in a short orangish rust and there are circular zari buttas all over the body. The borders are in a short purple and there is an orangish selvage. Now what is unique and different about this sari is the placement of the zari on the border. Usually we find the zari along the edges of the border, but here the zari is placed a little inside. So this is called a beatu petu. Beatu is the portion where the corvai is attached to the body. So beatu petu means the zari is placed at that particular location. Now the advantage as I can see from this kind of border is that when you drape this sari and you wear some necklace or neck piece over this, the neck piece as well as the zari border both will be clearly visible. The contrast in this sari is absolutely breathtaking. The pallu is in a beautiful short purple and it has gorgeous zari motifs all done in diamond shape. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu, but you can also pair it with maybe an electric blue blouse or a tissue blouse and pair it with some lovely traditional jewelry and that will create a beautiful and fabulous effect. Another one of our much loved saris, one of our best sellers is back. This is a beautiful ivory colored thread work Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of this stunning and elegant ivory colored Kanjivaram silk sari has small kamalam buttas all in thread all over the body. The borders are rectified motifs like this all done in thread. The pallu is a work of art and it has motifs all done in thread. The motifs are Banaras, Tutripu, Varisapet and diamond motifs and it is an absolutely breathtaking kind of pallu. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but considering that it's an ivory colored sari and it's a very versatile and beautiful sari, you can pair it with maybe a red blouse and red accessories or a green blouse and a beautiful green attique and so on. So depending on the kind of blouse you pair it with, you can pair it with beautiful jewelry. Up next is a very beautiful Kattan Kanjivaram in festive shades of Araku pink and a short rustish mustard. The body of the sari has all over katam or grids in shades of araku pink, then mustardish, short rustish, etc. The borders are rettapete borders, so there are two rows of Rudraksha motifs and there is a beautiful green selvage which highlights the beauty of this lovely border. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in a lovely short mustardish kind of color and it has beautiful zari lines. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color, the short shade as the pallu. You can either pair it with its own blouse or with a blouse in the beautiful short green of the selvages. Accessorize it with some lovely traditional gold jewelry and I assure you the result will be stunning. The beauty of the versatile Kanchivaram, the queen of silks, is such that there are various varieties of it. There are threadwork Kanchivarams, there are pure zari Kanchivarams, there are korvai Kanchivaram, self borders, narrow borders, the list is infinite. You can shop for our collection of beautiful hand-picked Kanchivaram silk sarees from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.